Hi everyone, so I'm going to make a quick tutorial on how to use ScreenCast-O-Matic. So I started using ScreenCast-O-Matic I think like maybe 3-4 years ago, and this was before we used the Microsoft Office, just like the whole package. I started using it because I wanted a way to record maybe what I was going to do in class that day. Maybe I was going to be gone for a day, but I still wanted my students to see me, hear me, and be able to learn. So I'm just going to create a quick little tutorial. And basically what a screencast is it records you if you want it to record you here on the side. It also records the background. So when you see like my yellow pointer, everything that's on my screen, the viewer will be able to see. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. So here you go to, I just went to my browser, and then you go to Screencast-O-Matic, and this is what the front page looks like. I just created an account. It was with my email. You create a password, put your info in. I only use the free version. I know they do offer a paid premium version where you can use it to edit your files and all this other stuff, but I technically don't like to pay for that stuff, so I just use the free version. With the free version, you do get 15 minutes of recording time, so that's really nice. And I mean, if you just need to record yourself for 15 minutes, then you are good with the free version. So once you create your account, you click over here to where it says, it'll take you here to this page. It says Screencast-O-Matic on the top. It says Start Recorder, Open Video Editor, Download, Install. I do tend to use this quite a bit, so I just went ahead and downloaded the install, and then you may want to do that as well. But here's some previous recordings that I've made. Not all of them I've saved to their drive. Some of them I've saved to my own computer, and it gives you that option when you finish recording if you want to save it to their drive or if you want to save it just to your computer as a file. It's up to you. The ones that I've saved as files, I've ended up loading on YouTube. So you can choose what you want. Sometimes I have just left them here, and then this button right here, this like little chain link, I just send that link to my students, since back in the day we weren't able to use YouTube, and I still think that we're not able to use YouTube when it comes to student computers, but since they'll be on their network, who knows, right? But to be safe, I always sent them the link from a site where they could see the video. So anyway, let's get started with how to screen record. So when you click this button that says Start Recorder, it will take you to this page right here. It says Screen Recorder, and then it asks you what you want to do. I always click right here where it says Launch Free Recorder. And once you do that, it will take you to this page. So I'm going to show you, this is a PowerPoint that I created just to kind of show you how this would look. Okay, so this would come up, and before that it could ask you, do you want to launch the installer? Do you want to download it? Do you want it to give you do you want to give it permission to use both the microphone and the video recorder? And yes to all of that. And then this screen is the actual recorder that comes up. So these are the options that come up once you download it. You say yes, you can use my mic, you can use my video camera. So it asks you if you want to do a screen-wide recording, so just your entire screen recorded without your face. And then it asks, do you want to just record a webcam from a webcam? Do you want both a webcam and like a computer? And I think if you do that one, it's a little different. Oh, I'm sorry. The one that I always choose both, just because I like when it has this little screen down here, and then it also records my desktop. So that's kind of what I click. And then when you are ready, you can look at all this info right here. It says max time 15 minutes. So with the free version, you do get to record for 15 minutes. Right here, you can test your mic to see if it moves. That means that it is capturing your voice or what you're saying. or the microphone is working. And then with the computer audio, if you wanted to record something in the background, you would have to download the premium version. So when you're ready, you can go ahead and click what you need. Here I clicked the both section. I apologize, it's looking a little funky, but in the back, if you could see, this is for like a wider screen. This is when it just puts your face here in the corner. And here, I'm not sure what this one does, but I think this is the translucent feature. So when you're ready to record, you can go ahead and click here where it says record at the bottom. And what it should do is it should bring up a recording bar right here. It counts you down, 3, 2, 1, and then it starts recording. So once it starts recording, you can actually pause it if you need to pause it for a moment. If you do need to go back and delete something or delete it, it does give you like a little trash can option. You can click on it, delete the whole entire video, and try again. Again, if you wanted to do the premium version, you can pay for that, but personally, I just recorded it once and then I would send it to the students and everything was good with that. So this is just kind of a little intro of what you would do if you wanted to screencast something. Maybe you want to screencast a lecture, maybe you want to screencast some directions, anything you want, you can do that. So let's pretend like I'm going to screencast a PowerPoint where I want to talk about certain points. This next project is actually a project that my UNO students will be doing here soon. They have to teach about a university to their EL students. So here's what I would do. So this is my project, and I'm just using PowerPoint. It says UNK, the University of Nebraska at Kearney. So UNK is in Kearney, Nebraska. Kearney, Nebraska, here's the map of where Kearney is compared to Omaha, the population, so on and so forth. I even added a GIF image there. And then here's just some more things that you can add. This is an actual video if you wanted to show a quick little video, or I wonder if I can move my face on the other side, but you can play with those functions as well. So hopefully you were able to learn how to create a screencast. If you have any questions, I would be happy to help you with that. Thanks, bye.